Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can make a dashboard in Excel. So let's get started. First, prepare your data in a clean and structured format. Each column should have headers like date, category, sales, or profit. Next, select your data and go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Use multiple pivot tables to summarize your key information such as total sales, monthly performance, or category breakdown. Once ready, go to a new worksheet and rename it Dashboard. Now, click Insert and start adding charts like bar, pie, or line charts from your pivot tables. Arrange them neatly side by side. You can also add slicers from the Pivot Table Analyze tab. These act like filters to interactively control what data your charts show. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your style. Finally, hide unnecessary grid lines by going to View and unchecking grid lines for a clean dashboard look. And that's it. Now you know how to create an interactive and professional Excel dashboard to visualize your data beautifully. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.